The best tool for removing weeds from between concrete cracks before sealing is a stiff hook knife used with targeted scraping to remove roots and debris. A hook knife excels because its curved blade follows the joint and gets under root crowns, so you can lift out both plant material and compacted soil. For wider cracks, consider pairing it with a 10-in-1 tool or a stiff putty knife to scrape remaining bits and to clean edges for better sealant adhesion. When roots are deep, use a reciprocating saw blade like a Sawzall blade inserted carefully to cut roots below the surface, then pull the pieces out. Keep the blade parallel to the crack to avoid chipping the concrete. A pressure washer works well after manual scraping to blast out fines and seed material that would otherwise interfere with sealant bonding. Use a 20 to 30 degree tip at moderate pressure and keep the nozzle moving. For light growth, you can loosen material with a garden hose and a stiff bristle brush, then finish with the hook knife to remove root collars so regrowth is less likely. Always remove all organic matter, allow the crack to dry fully, and then apply a backer rod if the gap is deep before sealing for best long-term performance. Common mistakes include only cutting top growth and leaving the root crown, which lets weeds regrow quickly, so always excavate down to the root crown and pull or cut it out. Another issue is sealing over damp or dirty cracks, which causes poor adhesion. Resolve this by thoroughly scraping, pressure washing, and waiting until the joint is completely dry before applying sealant. A third problem is using tools that are too wide or blunt, which can damage the concrete edges and create uneven joints. Use narrow hooked blades and gentle sawing motions near edges, and switch to a putty knife for final smoothing to protect the slab. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for sidewalk and driveway work and provides contractor profiles so we can connect people with suitable skills for crack repair. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share tips, ask questions, and post project experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and advice.